my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, gentle, true story about believing in small steps. There was a boy named Rakesh. Rakesh had big dreams. He wanted to succeed. He wanted to be confident. But Rakesh had one problem. He wanted everything at once. When success did not come fast, he felt sad. He felt tired. He felt disappointed. He often said, "I am too slow. I am behind others. I will never reach my goal." One evening, Rakesh was walking alone on a quiet road. He felt heavy inside. He saw a small ant carrying a piece of food. The food was big. The ant was small. The ant walked slowly. It stopped. It slipped. But it did not quit. Rakesh watched carefully. The ant tried again, step by step, slowly, patiently. After some time, the ant reached its place. Rakesh felt something inside his heart. He whispered softly. The ant did not rush. The ant did not give up. It trusted small steps. That moment changed Rakesh. He understood something important. Big goals are reached by small steps. From that day, Rakesh changed his thinking. He stopped rushing. He stopped comparing. He focused on one step at a time. He said to himself, "Today, I will take one small step. Tomorrow, another small step." Slowly, his confidence grew. Slowly, his life improved. Because when you believe in small steps, you do not feel afraid. You do not feel lost. You just keep moving forward. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. You do not need to run. You do not need to be perfect. Just take one small step, then another. And remember, small steps can take you far. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep moving forward. And always remember, believe in small steps.